Hello there! This is your Tita Lalaine again, your licensed teacher and your licensed real estate broker. Kumusta po kayo mga katitski? Welcome to my vlog again and to my YouTube channel. Before we are going to talk about the most important topic na sinabi ko po sa previous na video ko, which is humility, please hit the bell button, like, and share po. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Again, congratulations po and thank you sa mga 1,000 plus viewers na nanonood sa atin sa buong mundo. Isa po kayo sa mga pinapasasalamatan ko because of your sincerity and our friendship and your loyalty. Yes po, humility po ang pinaka-importante, yung pagpapakumbaba po ko kahit na anuman ang narating mo sa buhay mo. Huwag po tayong mayabang, kundi bagkus isipin po natin na yung King of Kings and Lord of Lords was born in a manger. Yes po, in a manger. It shows and it teaches us humility. Sa previous po na video ko, nag-share po ako ng dalawang verses found in James 4:10. Humble yourselves before the Lord and He will lift you up. And in James 4:6, God opposes the proud but gives grace to the humble. Bakit po itong dalawang verses na to ang pinili or ang nakita ko nung mag-meditate ako? Probably because God is telling us that these are the most important, or this is the most important thing wherever we go. Humility. And the best example of that is our Lord Jesus Christ po. Napaka-humble po niya to the point that He gave up Himself to die on the cross to save you even if you are not worthy of it. Kahit saan po tayo, sa pamilya, sa friendship, sa mga kaibigan natin at sa negosyo, please, let us all be humble. Huwag po natin ipagmamayabang kung ano man ang narating natin ngayon. Have a great day, everyone! Once again, I would like to say to all our investors with Cover Plains, thank you so much, and to our partner brokers and realties, more halik with Tita Lalaine. This is it. 2025 is here now and we are offering it all to God. Thank you. Thank you mga katitski.